In this video, we're going to talk about how to upload your own custom animations to the Morph system. So because we're using humanoid descriptions to control the animations of our Morph, we have to upload them in a very specific way to Roblox. So I want you guys to just watch very carefully on how I organize the folder and everything and copy exactly, because it's a little bit strange. You have to create a folder. You have to name this folder R15 anim. Inside the folder, create a string value named run. And then inside that string value, create an animation. And then this animation will have your ID. So the actual animation ID that you created will go here. So I've already created a custom run animation that I've put in here. And now we can close the folder. We don't need that open anymore. Now, just I want to mention too, if you want to upload a different type of animation that isn't run, I will explain that in just a moment once we spawn in. But yeah, so now you can right-click your folder, save to Roblox, make sure you select animation as the asset category, change the creator to either yourself or your group. If it's a group game, you'll want it to be your group. I'm just going to keep it myself in this case. And click save. And do not close this window yet. You want to make sure you click this copy button so that you get the asset ID of the animation that we just uploaded, or the animation asset that we just uploaded. So make sure you copy that. Inside the morph that you want to change the animation of. So I'm going to change this developer morph. I'm going to add a humanoid description. And then because we want to update the run animation, we're going to update the run animation property here with the animation, with the ID that we just copied from the Roblox pop-up. And now when we spawn in with our morph, development team developer, we will now have our custom run animation. Now the animation I picked is actually very similar to the default run. But it is a custom run animation. Now, if you wanted to use a different type of animation that wasn't run, open up your character in the Explorer here while you're testing and go into the animate script, and you can see here the way you need to name your string value. So we named our string value run, but if you want to update the idle animation, for example, you'd want to name it idle. If you want to update the fall animation, name it fall, etc. You have to just make sure that this string value is named correctly in the folder that you upload. And yeah, that should be it. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out on our Discord server, and the link for that will be in the description.